Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point? Now you don't need to record an empty background. All you need to do is just walk in with any product of your choice. Now stretch it out like this to the camera. You get my point? You can stand a little distance from the camera. Then when you are done with that particular one, you just come back and then show the product direct to the camera. Make it big. You get my point? Make it clear like this. Then when you are done, you save the video to your gallery and then head over to Capcut. On Capcut, click on new project. Import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So here is the video. So what we will do from here is we will have to click on the video layer. Now split and delete this other part here, because this is how we want the video to start. You get my point? Just delete. So now let's go over to the ending part of the video. Guys, I hope you are following. So from this part, this way where we want our video to end. So you just tap on the video layer, tap on split. Now you don't delete it, understand, because we recorded the product. So where you have to select where the product is steady in front of the camera. Just from here, I will just tap on split somewhere here. Then I will delete this back side. So I will just tap on the product layer right here and then click freeze. You get my point? Click on freeze. So that's just it. So what you do is this other smaller part, this other part here, you just tap on it and then delete it. So you go towards the ending part. You are not going to use this one. This one is the continuation of the other video. Let me just draw so you see it. You get my point? So we don't need this one. So you just delete that one. Now tap on this product layer here. Go and look for overlay. So see overlay here. Click on overlay. Now bring it, just drag it not to the beginning of the video. From this part, the character is stretching hand to show the product. This is where you are going to align it somewhere here. You get my point? So it will be aligned right here. So guys, towards the ending part of the product layer, make sure you just drag it, tap on the product layer and drag it to align with when the character is bringing back his hand, something like what you're seeing on your screen. Let it align very well. You get my point? So guys, after the alignment, what you need to do is to remove background on this particular product. You get my point? So you do your alignment very well. So guys, I made a video the other day and I said I'm using all Capcut's features for free. I don't know if some people are doubting. So because of that, I'm going to go to remove BG. Click on it. Just tap on remove BG. Click on auto remover. So I'll click on auto remover and you will see it will remove the background immediately. Understand? So look at it here. On your own Capcut, you will see it's a pro feature, but I'm using it here. There's nothing like pro here or at the top of this video. You get my point? So when you are done with that, you click on custom removal also. Now we want to remove some part of the hand here. So you go to erase. Click on erase. So you can reduce the brush size here, or you can use this brush size. Now tap on the roll on the part you want to erase. So I'm rolling on this particular part because I don't want the hand to show in full. I don't know if you get my point. So just keep on doing that. But if you're interested, if you really want to know how to use all these effects, Capcut features for free, like this auto anything, just chat me on WhatsApp. My number is in the description of this video. Also, if you want to learn how to edit videos from scratch, just chat me on WhatsApp. You get my point? So we strike a deal. So that's just it, guys. When you are done, you click on this OK button. So what you do next is for you to move the video to the beginning of the second layer, because we want to add keyframe. You get my point? So now you have to reduce the size of the product. Just reduce the size to align with the original size of the product, the one that is in your hand. So just keep on reducing it. Make sure it doesn't show the original product doesn't show. So guys, from here we're going to add keyframe. You get my point? So you add keyframe at the beginning of the video. You move the video a bit. Then you start to increase the size of the product. Just place 2 fingers on the product on your screen. You get my point? Now expand it. Just expand it. Keep expanding it till it gets to the size, your preferred size. You get my point? Now this is on the second keyframe. Now when you get to your preferred size, you move the video a bit. So just move the video. Let's move from here. You can add another keyframe by yourself. Just add another keyframe. Then you still move the video to the ending part of the layer. From here, this ending part of the layer, from here, this is where you are going to readjust the product. Just place 2 fingers on your screen and then make it small. Just do it bit by bit. You are going to get it. You get my point? So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video on your social media platforms, comment. If you have any issue, I'll be able to assist you. So just make sure you reduce the size, resize it to the original product size. I believe you get my point. So that's just it, guys. So let's see what we've got. So guys, that's just it. So I know some people are still waiting to see if I'm going to use screen recorder to record the video. I'm not going to do that. See, I'm going to save it to my gallery. So look at it here. I'm going to export the video. So look at it. I'm going to export it. Export the shit, huh? So that's just it, guys. If you want to know, you chat me on WhatsApp. Let's strike a deal. So see you in our next video.